Welcome back, guys, to another vlog. Sorry about so much noise. We're actually at Marcus's house today, and I got some good news.
Since I had my nose, yeah.
House full of kilos, soul pounds of zeros. Cocaine my hero, you ain't fake side getting Debo. Always asking what to learn like. Young home still freeload. Don't fly around my signal. I rearrange your dental. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around.
So after doing what I needed to initially do with the GT itself, there wasn't much else I needed to do until, until I really go force induction or like start spraying or anything like that. So I got stuck to a point and I felt like I am hitting a plateau. I was getting bored. Not to mention, the GT is an automatic car. It's no fun. I'm just gonna put it like that. So I was looking around on the internet and I decided that I wanted to find and get a daily car that I actually put my own pizzazz on. I don't know if I'm really gonna do much in terms of making it faster. Again, sorry about all the noise. The neighbors are cutting their grass. But if I might be doing something to make it faster or what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna go with normal low and slow lifestyle and just make this my nice little daily whenever I'm going somewhere or whenever I just want to go and have a nice chill ride. So I looked at many options. I set a goal for myself. I told myself I'm not gonna pay more than about $5,000. Okay, so I kept looking and I kept looking. I didn't find much, but I knew there was certain cars that I wanted to work with and certain cars that I knew that if anything were to happen to it, I wouldn't have any problems trying to fix it. And at the same time, I wanted a car that I knew had a lot of room for growth. And I wanted to step out of my comfort zone in terms of not just drag racing, not just, looking for straightaway power, but other things as well. So, without further ado, I'm gonna show you my new car. Yep, that's right. I finally went and I bought a Mazda Miata. This is a 1995 Miata NB, I think is what this body style is. And a really cool thing about this one, well, I think it's cool, it's the 10th anniversary one. Now, what does that mean? I have no fucking clue. But the one thing I do know that's kind of different is, number one, it comes with like chrome. I don't even know if that's like original, but it comes with chrome pieces. Comes with the wing, and this is an aftermarket roll bar that's on there. But yeah, that's the basic essentials. I'm gonna go more into depth later on in another video, things that are wrong with it, things that I want to do with it. In this video, I just wanted to actually go ahead and introduce her. Basically, this is my brand new, not new, far from new, but my brand new project car, which is the 1999 10th anniversary. What's so funny, Marcus?
You said 95 earlier.
I said 99. 1995 Miata NB, I think.
Oh, you are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
You said 95.
It's in the video. I'm not gonna argue with this gump. 99. 1999 Miata NB. 10th anniversary. Alright guys, so today what we're gonna be doing, let me show y'all one more time. Y'all see these things? Oh man, they are perfect for a 1999 car. No problems whatsoever. They're fogged up, they still work, they click, all that, good, boom. No problems with that. Now, what we're gonna do today, Marcus, what we doing today, Marcus?
Cleaning your shit.
I need a hype man. Alright guys, so we are done. You see the difference? Boom from boom. Oh, boom to boom. Okay. That's a wrap. Great job, Marcus.
You're welcome.
Anytime. How long did that take you?
About 3.5 seconds.
Record time, bros. Record fucking time. So if you think you could beat our 3.5 second mark to make a shitty light look even shittier, comment down below.
These are not specific grits. This is just what I had.
What are you about to do?
The other one.
So this one's done?
No, motherfucker. You shit at the same time. Stay tuned.
So this is basically the final piece. This is it. This is what it looks like now. If I can, I'm gonna flash a picture of what it looked like before, and it does make a huge difference. This one is just drying up now, and basically you can really tell the difference between what it was and what it is now. That's just gonna be a brief overview, you know, first maintenance thing that I do to the car, and basically, yeah. Thanks again as you come along with me while I ruin my car to achieve my dreams. Thanks again, guys. Oh, by the way, thanks, Marcus. Appreciate it, bro. Don't do that face. That is a face only a mother can love. Right there.
You must hear that a lot.